Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I came up with this makeup look that is perfect for any brunch, lunch or any morning or daytime affair. Like if you're going for a date, a lunch date, a brunch with family, this look has got you sorted. Because this is a very subtle yet dramatic look because of the blue eyeliner that is going on here. This blue eyeliner gives your look a very dramatic look. This video is in collaboration with Lookadora. So Lookadora is a new website where you can get your skincare, makeup and jewelry needs all sorted under one roof, and they also create looks for you. They can pick a perfect look for you with the criteria you provide to them. All the products I have used are from Lookadora, and these earrings are also from Lookadora. Their jewelry collection is called Adora Jewelry. So this is one of the pretty pieces that I got from them. Right now they have all the drugstore brands under one roof, so you can definitely go and check out their website. I will leave the link in the description box. Also, if you like this look, do give this video a thumbs up and also comment down below your thoughts regarding this look. And also a giveaway is going on my channel because I just hit 1000 subscribers, and this giveaway is a very interesting contest, so you should check that out. And if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching.